Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today's recipe is easy to make, filled with protein and lunchbox recipe. In a bowl add eggs. Then add salt, chopped onions, chili flakes, green onions, finely chopped coriander. Mix all the ingredients well. Here I am taking up a pan, so that my eggs turn round in shape. Grease the pan with some oil, and add in eggs one by one. Give them a gentle flip halfway through to get that gorgeous, golden sear. Pop a stick in, and boom, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Save this recipe for your next snack craving. Hit that follow button for more easy snack ideas.